What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your gaming performance in your Microsoft Windows 11 laptop. So first, head over to the Windows button and then click on Settings. You can also search for the settings. And after coming to the settings, you need to click on this gaming section here on the right side, or sorry, on the left side. And after clicking on the gaming section, you can see the game bar. So from here, you can set your controller and game shortcuts. And when you hover to this help with game bar, you can just click on this article like record a game clip on your PC with game bar. When you click on this article, this will show you all the information related to this topic. And then when you click on this, you will see the keyboard shortcuts for the game bar. And here, when you click on all shortcuts, you can see to edit the game bar related shortcuts, press Windows, logo key plus G, or to go to Start, game bar, and then Settings. And after that, under the related settings, you need to click on Graphics. And after clicking on Graphics, this will open the graphics window. From here, you need to make sure that optimization for Windows game has been turned on. You need to make sure that this toggle has been turned on. And after that, when you click on advanced graphic settings and when you turn this feature on, what this does is it sets the refresh rate according to the game. So if a game supports higher refresh rate, it will just change it to higher refresh rate, or it will keep it to normal. And after that, here is the custom settings for individual applications. You can do that too. And after that, when you go to the display, or when you search for game mode here under the gaming section, you will see this game mode option. So make sure to turn this toggle on. This optimizes your PC for playing by turning things off in the background. And after that, here is the graphics section again that I showed you earlier. So this is how you can increase the performance of your Windows laptop. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.